Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Mike on the Move. In this video, I'll highlight a tour of a stateroom on the Norwegian cruise line NCL Jewel ship number 4522. This room is on the lowest passenger floor, deck 4, and this room is considered an ocean view with a porthole view and measures an average of 150 square feet. You will immediately notice the room's brightness, although natural light comes from the small porthole window. Check out that floor-to-ceiling mirror. This ship and stateroom was updated in 2019, so it's been a few years and the new updates are holding up well. Let's start by checking out the porthole view. It is a small view, but you can still see what's going on outside. And it's much better than an inside stateroom. You will also find blackout curtains, which I always find helpful on sea days or when you had a little too much fun the prior night. On the bedside, you will find a convenient light fixture or reading light with a USB charging port, making it easy to charge up your phone while in bed. You'll also find a nightstand, which I found useful for housing my Freestyle daily and water each night. You can see that the Vanity was updated. Well, hello there. This Vanity also featured a wonderful LED mirror, along with European and USA electric outlets, and this really cool magnifying mirror, which I found very interesting. Also, there was additional small shelving on the side of the mirror. Here you will also find a hairdryer, more shelving, and a seat. You will also find additional counter and shelving space below the TV, which I believe was about 24 inches. Here you will find additional electrical outlets, including 2 for USBs, and you will also find a mini fridge, which includes water for a charge. Now let's explore the wardrobe area. On the left-hand side of the closet space, you'll find 6 shelves. And in the closet itself, you will find that the lights automatically turn on when you open the doors, and there's ample space for hanging your clothes, including a full-length area. Now, if you are a tidy person, a tidy and well-organized person, you'll find this space perfect for your needs. There is also a small flat safe for your valuables and additional shelving and drawer space too. Now let's move over to the restroom. The restroom was, I would say, cozy, especially when using the toilet, but it had everything I needed for my stay. The wall had textured wallpaper, elevating the space and adding a touch of luxury, and the sink had everything I needed for storing my toiletries, ensuring that I had everything at my fingertips. You will also find NCL toiletries in the restroom as well. And the shower featured faux marble, which I think was faux marble, and a removable shower head, shower shelves, and a retractable clothes rod to dry your clothes after a dip in the pool, providing a comfortable and functional bathing experience. There were also permanent hooks for towels on the wall of the restroom, adding for more of a practical touch to the space. Well folks, I hope you found this video helpful as you plan for your next cruise adventure. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and don't forget, before you go, to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you later. Bye-bye.